How to clean microwave. Microwave ovens can get really dirty, especially when you forget to place a lid over the food. 5 minutes of heating uncovered food can do a pretty good job of messing up your microwave. This article will show you some quick and safe ways to a clean microwave. What you need: a bowl, a lemon, damp microfiber cloth. Step-by-step procedure. 1. Break down the dirt. The first step to a clean microwave is to break down the dirt. To do this, cut a lemon in half and juice it into a bowl halfway filled with water. Put that into the microwave for 5 minutes. The reason this works so well is because the lemon and the water create steam in the microwave chamber. For 5 minutes, all that the concoction is doing is cleaning the walls and the dirt, breaking it down. It becomes very easy to wipe it away once you remove the bowl after 5 minutes. The great thing about this method to clean a microwave is that you can do something else as the microwave does the work for you. 2. Wipe and scrub. The second step to a clean microwave is to wipe and scrub. Using a damp microfiber cloth, clean the insides of the microwave starting with the sides, then the top and then the bottom. Don't forget to remove the plate and clean it as well. Obviously, you don't want to do this when the microwave is too hot. Let it cool down slightly to avoid injuring yourself. If a microfiber cloth isn't doing a good job, switch to a double-sided sponge or a scraper. Don't forget to clean inside the door as well, and you can even take your microfiber cloth, dip it into that lemon water mixture and clean the outside. Be sure to clean the buttons and dials. Clean underneath by moving it slightly, wiping the countertop and pushing it back. Countertops under microwaves tend to get really dirty. The wipe and scrub time will probably take you 2 to 3 minutes. 3. Alternative method to a clean microwave. An alternative method to clean a microwave oven involves using vinegar. Take bowl and mix equal parts water and vinegar. 1 cup of each will do. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat it for 5 minutes. After it's done, let it stand for 10 minutes. Be careful not to burn yourself as you remove the bowl. Next, simply wipe it down using a sponge. Dampening the sponge slightly in the mixture of vinegar and water. Tips and advice. If you want to avoid any splatters inside the microwave in future, take a bowl, similar to the shape and size of the bowl you are going to cook with, and use that to cover up the food. Do this every time you microwave and your oven will remain spotless. To stay safe from the heat, wear a pair of gloves.